How to delete multiple pins on Pinterest. If any day and if you are a Pinterest user and you would like to delete the multiple pins on Pinterest but you do not know how to do that, do not worry, as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Pinterest application on your mobile device. For that, you have to go to the search section of your mobile device and then you have to search the Pinterest out there. After you find the very Pinterest application, you have to tap on Pinterest. After you tap on Pinterest, Pinterest will be launched on your very mobile device. Now after Pinterest will be launched on your mobile device, you have to go to their profile like icon on the downside and you can see the various kind of pins that are created by you. Now you can tap on the various kind of pins like this, otherwise you can go your profile section once again and then you can tap on the various pins out there and you can see the very option of the edit like option out there. Now what you can do is you can tap on the very pin there and then you can go to the three dots on the top side. After that, you can also go to the option of the edit out there. After tapping on edit as well, you can go to the very icon like dustbin like icon on the downside, and this way your very pin will be deleted. You can also delete all of the other multiple pins by just tapping on that and then going to the edit like option on the downside and then going to the dustbin like icon on the downside, and this way your pins will be deleted on the Pinterest. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.